Hello, I am Biliana from Artisan. Let's take a look at my steampunk tunnel book. The pictures turned out beautifully. I've always loved the steampunk style, and these were among the very first images I generated with Midjourney. They stayed tucked away for a long time, waiting for the right moment, until now. If you enjoy this aesthetic, you'll probably feel that the images are just as stunning as the book itself. As you can see, I used paper from this collection for the pages of the book. The sheets come in 200 GSM and 80 GSM, but they have a white backing that didn't match my idea of what the book should look like. That's why I glued two sheets together, one 200 GSM and one 80 GSM, to give the pages a special firmness. I must admit, it wasn't necessary for the construction, but it did satisfy my aesthetic vision. For this book, I decided to make the openings on the pages rectangular and asymmetrical. That's the joy of creating. You can let your imagination run wild and shape everything exactly the way you want. To cut the openings, I used a rectangular die cut, placing it at different angles on each page to achieve that playful, uneven look. I used a rectangular die cut to create the openings, simply placing it at different angles each time. Before every cut, I checked how the book would look and tried to avoid placing the die cut in the same direction twice. And of course, I still made a mistake here and there. But that didn't take away any of the joy of making this book, and in the end, it really doesn't matter. I inked the edges, to get an even greater grungy effect and to mask the whiteness of the edges. Let's start with the binding. As I mentioned earlier, the paper for the binding is made of two glued together sheets. I've already scored all the lines, and now all that's left to do is fold them into place. Of course, a mistake was made here that could have ruined the entire project, but fortunately it was corrected in time. I glued the page on both sides of the recess, but it was only supposed to be on one side. I glued wrong the first two pages. There wasn't much glue and the incorrectly glued pages could have come apart. We will also glue the backside where the folds are, so everything stays secure and neatly in place. Our book is finished, and now we can start decorating it. There's no strict rule about the order. You can first assemble the book and then decorate it, like I did here, or you can decorate each page first and bind everything together afterward. Both approaches work beautifully. Just choose the one that suits your process best. To hide the parts one glued incorrectly, I added some imaginative little hinges, which actually give the book a special charm. And now, the different images of cats, mice, men, bears, women, dogs, some fantasy creature and embellishment in steampunk style that give the book its final shine. I inked all the edges of this images to get a patina that matches the book. I hope this video has captured your attention and sparked your desire to create something yourself. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see each other in the next project.